Nearly a year later, a fog rolled over the city in the small hours.
Sir Danvers Carew.
The lane, not far from the river, was brilliantly lit by the full moon. In the middle of the lane, a body lay incredibly mangled.
Sir Danvers Carew.
Sir Danvers Carew.
Sir Danvers Carew.
The stick with which the deed had been done, although it was of some rare and very tough and heavy wood, had broken in the middle under the stress of this insensate cruelty.
I had myself presented this many years before to Henry Jekyll.
He means, my friends, Utterson, the lawyer, had presented this walking stick many years ago. Not he, the actor Champagne Charlie, had presented this walking stick.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, but you said I, and it's not the first time that you said I.
Did I?
Yeah, there you go again. My good friends, methinks my partner here is getting too involved with the character of Mr. Utterson.
But Utterson is Jekyll's good friend.
And his lawyer. Keep it professional. Don't get too close to the character. You're almost becoming him. Even starting to speak like Utterson. Yeah, don't want people thinking you got some kind of personality disorder.
Absurd!
See? Absurd. Since when did you, Charlie, ever say absurd? Charlie would never say absurd unless he was taking the... Listen, my friend. We're here to tell a story of the case of
Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde.
Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. And we're meant to be telling this story together, not becoming the story. You and me, we're a team. We're a double act. We're inseparable. Rick and Morty, B&Q, H&M, whatever. I'm Bert. Perhaps you've heard of me, Bert.
This is Jekyll's cane, the cane that killed Carew.
Champagne Charlie is...
Listen, this is the cane that killed Carew.
We know that Jekyll didn't kill Carew. What did the maid say in her statement? A very small gentleman with ape-like fury. He was trampling his victim underfoot and hailing down a storm of blows under which the bones were audibly shattered. Come on, Sherlock. Yeah, work it out. Who likes trampling his victims, eh? Let's go to his place in Soho and ask him about it.
Man is not truly one, but two. If each could be but housed in separate identities, life would be relieved of all that was unbearable. The unjust might go this way. The just could walk steadfastly and securely on his upward path. But I slowly lost hold of my original and better self and became slowly incorporated with my second and worse. Here then, as I lay down the pen and proceed to seal up my confession, bring the life of that unhappy Henry Jekyll to an end.